Hi everybody, this is your friendly Professor Pete coming to you from my office here in room 151 of the Education Building. I just wanted to take a few minutes and give you guys a little bit of information about the first assignment that's coming up. So in this class there are three major assignments: the research question and problem statement, the literature review, and the methodology section. These three sections of a research paper make up what's commonly referred to as the proposal. The last two sections, the results and the discussion, are what go into a formal research report. So in this class you're not writing a formal research report, rather you're just doing a proposal. So you only have to come up with a question, perform a review of the literature, and tell me your methods. In other words, how are you going to conduct this study? Those latter two assignments will come later in the semester, but for now we only have to worry about the research question and problem statement. So for starters, I want to tell you this is a really brief, really easy assignment, and it can be completed in about a page, give or take a little bit. There are two real component parts to this assignment, and the first is, of course, the research question. You guys completed some readings in the textbook that had to do with designing an effective research question, and I want you to review all of that stuff as you go through the process of devising your own research question. It's important that you phrase your research question just so in order to really get at the variables and the measurement techniques that you want to. So even though this assignment is brief and easy, you should really take it seriously, because a good research question can make up for a lot of other weaknesses in your study. Because of that, I'm probably going to provide you guys with a lot of feedback, negative and positive, on this first small assignment. So don't be scared if you get your paper back from me and it's all covered in track changes, which looks kind of like red ink and is cluttered with lots of comments from me. I'm not doing it because I don't like you or I don't like your study. Rather, I'm trying to improve your research question now at the very beginning of the semester, so that it'll be easier for you to convert it into the questions that you'll need for the second and third assignments later on in the semester. So, okay, the first part of the assignment is the research question. That's pretty straightforward. The second part, I just want you to write a few paragraphs about why the topic, why the question is important to the profession of education. Okay, so that's really about it. They're just those two sections, the research question and the importance of the problem. The importance of the problem can come from your experiences in the classroom as a student or a teacher, or it can come from any literature that you've read in our textbook or in other research reports or in other classes that you've taken. Okay, so those are the two real parts of the assignment. You can do really well on the assignment. Most people last semester did very well on it, even though I gave a lot of feedback. But in order to do well, you need to look at two documents on Blackboard. So I'm going to grab my camera and point it at my computer screen. Hope you can see that okay. This is our Blackboard page, of course, and over here on the left you can click the link to assignments, and you'll see that the research question and problem is the second one on the list. So when I click that link, I see two documents, the scoring rubric and the assignment description. I debated whether or not I was going to include some examples for you, but I decided not to, just because I didn't want them to box in your thinking. I want you to be creative at this point of the semester, so no examples this time. For all subsequent assignments, I'll provide you with at least one really good example, but probably more like two or three. So anyway, before you complete this assignment, I want you to review the scoring rubric in detail and the assignment description. This will clarify most of the questions that you have, but as usual, if you do have any additional questions, please contact me because I'm at your disposal. Okay, that's it for now. Good luck with the assignment, and email me anytime you have questions or concerns. Alright, have a good day. Bye.